Year 80s. I've just finished checking through your quizzes and I just wanted to go through a couple of things that I noticed. So please make sure everybody is watching this because I noticed a couple of consistent mistakes that a lot of people were making. Okay, so when we're doing the area of a circle, this is our formula. It's always A, okay, equals pi. Do you like this one, guys? I'm getting a bit neater. Leah. Pi r squared, okay? Now, in this scenario, in this question here, we only have a diameter, okay? We know that the diameter is 12 centimeters, okay? So this here, this line here is the diameter. Real dodgy. Yeah, real good. That says diameter. Well, sort of. All right. So we know that that's the diameter, but over here, it says that we need the radius, okay? So we could go, okay, sure, no worries. Well, A equals pi 6 to the power of 2, but we just need to show it in our working out. So today, the reason why I got you to go A equals pi in brackets 12 divided by 2 to the power of 2 is that showing, okay, that you know that the radius is 12 divided by 2. You know that the radius is the diameter divided by 2, okay? So if it's easier, if this part here confuses you a little bit, then just always go in your mind, just calculate, okay, well, half of 12 is 6. Obviously here the radius is 6 because I've noticed here a few people have been making some similar sort of mistakes here. So we only need to do these brackets when we have the diameter. If we're given the radius, okay, then we don't need to divide this number by 2. We only do this when we're given the diameter. So how am I going for time? Pretty okay. All right, so A equals, not using this pen again. Okay, so we'll go in the brackets first, 12 divided by 2, which is 6. I think I did this one yesterday. I don't know why I always do that. Okay, so A equals pi times 6. Okay, but then I noticed a lot of people, they solved these equation in the brackets, but they just for some reason forgot to put the 2 here. So you need to make sure in this second part here where it says A equals pi brackets 12 divided by 2, we solve what's in the bracket, but we don't just drop off the power of 2 sign. We still have to solve that part. Okay, so don't miss that step. How am I going for time? Good. All right, so A equals pi 6 to the power of 2, okay, is times 6 times 6. Why did I do that? Dodgy. All right, and then 6. 6 is a 36. Very good. Guys, you know your 6 time tables very well. So pi times 36. You might be noticing in MathSpace recently how it says give your answer in terms of pi. So that just means this here in MathSpace, if your question's asking you to give it in terms of pi, it's just saying, okay, pi times 36. So before putting it into the calculator. All right. Now, pi, cool, times by 36 equals 113.09733552922. Okay, that's why we're going to say to 2 decimal points. Now, if we're looking here, that third decimal point is 7. So therefore, it's 5 or higher. That means we need to move all of these numbers up by 1. So it's going to be 113.10 centimeters. Don't forget your units. Squared. Now, I've only got 15 seconds. Well, just remember, if you had the radius to begin with, okay, you don't need to worry about dividing it by 2. You only divide it by 2 when you have the diameter. Goodbye, year 8s. 5 minutes is